Hi everybody, it's Alice with It's a Cake Bakery. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own butter with only one ingredient. Just go ahead and get a stand mixer with your whisk attachment and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Now if you don't have a stand mixer, no worries. You can put it in a cup with a lid and shake it. Continue to shake and it would do the same thing. So let's go ahead and whisk. There we go. Continue to whisk. All right, as we continue to whisk, you will see that the texture have changed. This is the consistency that you want. You can see the yellow of the butter peeping through, and that's what you want. Go ahead and scrape your bowl just one time. You don't have to do it that often or none at all. I just like to scrape mine and continue to whisk. Look at there, guys. The butter has now separated from the liquid. This is what you want. Inside your whisk, you now have beautiful creamy butter. Very easy, guys. It's only one ingredient. Please show me that you've done this. It's such a joy to show off with your friends and family that you can make your own butter. Look at there, guys. Beautiful butter. Naturally yellow. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. Let me go ahead and take this off. Look at there, guys. There's your beautiful butter that you can make on your own. If you're short of butter or don't have butter at home, but you do have some heavy whipping cream, you can make your own butter in 10 minutes or less. Please also subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends and family about me. Now what I'm doing here, you don't have to do this part. I just like to add ice on the end of my mixing because it helps me know that all of the liquid has separated from the butter. Now what I'm doing is just actually putting it inside of a sealable container. What I also like to do, I like to mend mine, if you will. I like to go ahead and just put mine in some type of shape, whether it's round, square, or whatever shape you want. Go ahead and mend it, but you do not have to do it this way. This is just something I like to do. Beautiful. Look how soft it is, guys. And if you want salted butter, just add a half a teaspoon of salt and you'll have salted butter. Look at there, guys. Beautiful butter that you can make on your own. Look at there, guys. Wonderful. Now let's take a closer look at this cut. Look how soft it cuts, guys. Look at the texture of that beautiful, delicious butter that you can make on your own. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Please spread the news to your friends and family about me. I would love to see pictures or video that you've also made your butter off of my video that I'm showing you now. Next, what you want to do is just put it in a container with a lid that's sealable or a sealable lid. Go ahead and stick it in your fridge and use it when you're ready. It's simple as that, guys. One ingredient will make you homemade butter. There's your butter, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye now.